Hey everybody, it's Dr. Rob with your 2-minute tip this week. Today we're going to talk about making the most boring exercise in the world actually fun. So that is the plank. So everybody knows that the plank is super good for you. You really should be doing it. In fact, with all our Fit Club members, we make people do the core work at the beginning of their workout when they're fresh, energized, and focused, and actually going to do it properly. Core is essential. Everybody talks about how important it is. Really what we talk about when we're working core muscles do two things. They support the spine and they help you breathe. When you get fatigued or tired and those muscles get weak and tired, they're going to only be able to do one of those two things, and pretty much every time they're going to choose to breathe and not support the spine, and that's when injuries happen. So that's why you actually need to do your core exercises. It's really important, but for the most part, planks are super boring. I hate them because you just sit there, you do nothing until it hurts, and it's not fun at all. So here is a bunch of plank variations that's going to spice it up, make it fun, kick your butt, and it's actually fairly interesting, and you'll learn to like planks and get your core exercises in, so your core muscles actually work and will support your spine and breathe at the same time, which is kind of important. So try a couple of these at home within your workout. First, plank, you're just going to go alternating leg lifts. All right? Nice and slow. Try not to shift the body back and forth. With all of these exercises, the key is not moving your hips back and forth, but try and keep nice and stable as much as you can. From there, you can go into more of a mountain climber. So it's a plank here. We'll bring knee up, knee up, knee up. All right? If you really want to test your flexibility, you're going to go from your forearms, knee up out to the side. This one's called more of a Spider-Man. It's going to hit the obliques, especially if you get like a hold, you get it right up through there. It's a lot harder, way more challenging. It's taken me about 47 takes to do this video, so I'm starting to shake. From there, you can also start to do shoulder taps. So you're going to go from your forearms, you can do shoulder taps. From your hands, you can do shoulder taps. All right. One of my other favorites from Dr. McGill, one of the leading spine specialists, is actually a rotating plank. So if I show you from this side, you're going to start in a plank, and then you're going to rotate into a side plank. Hold that for about 10-15 seconds. Rotate, and then rotate back the other way. If I show you from the side, from here, rotate in a plank, hold it, keep everything moving as one, front plank, and then side plank. All right? Once you get into side plank mode, there's a ton of fun stuff you can do where you can start to do reverse row or reverse flies. You can do rows. You can drop into bottom leg and do leg lifts, or you can even make it the hardest is the star side plank. All right? Lots of different progressions, lots of different challenges. Try these at home. Pick your favorite. Do a different one every workout. You should always start your workout with a core. Get it fired up, get it working. It's like the broccoli and Brussels sprouts of your exercises. Have a good week.